Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. I hope you're all doing well, and today we will be doing a circle time, just as per usual, and as always, I hope that you are doing well and you're staying safe at this time, and I hope that you enjoy the circle. So why don't we get into it? The first song we're going to do is Row, Row, Row Your Boat, and we're going to have some fun verses. I learned some, and I think they're really interesting and they're really fun, so why don't we get into it? Get in your car. Drive, drive, drive your car quickly down the road. Merrily, 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 merrily with a heavy load. Alright, maybe now it's time to go into the train. Shunt, shunt, shunt the train gently down the track. There you have it. Those are some new verses. I don't think we do those in Kimborn. I thought they were interesting, and like just to talk about them a little bit. We drove in our car, so remember we said drive quickly down the road, merrily, 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 merrily with a heavy load. And then we talked about a train, and we were shunt the train gently down the track, merrily, 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 merrily up the line and back. So we went up the line and down back. So we went in a car, we went in a train, and then we did row, row, row your boat as gently as can be, because if you're not careful, you'll fall into the sea. So if you're not careful on the boat, sometimes you might tip in. That's okay. You can always get back up. But we did some really interesting ones, and like a wave. So this is a wave, is when you say hi to somebody. So when we talk about row, row, row your boat gently to the cave, if you see a friendly bear, don't forget to wave. Sometimes animals are friendly and we can always give them a little wave. So I thought that was interesting just to do a song that we always sing, but just to have a different versions of it. And these are all online, so you can find them. I think I just Google searched like row, row, row your boat lyrics, and they're all there. But yeah, they're always super fun, and it's always fun to learn different songs. But the next song is one that I sang when I was a kid, and I really, really, really like this song. It's about ducks. And we usually sing about 5 little ducks, but this time we're going to talk about 6. So remember, this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is 5. So it's one whole hand with all your fingers. But 6 is when you have to add one more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all our fingers on one hand. But 6 is with one extra one from your other hand. So this song talks about 6 little ducks. And it talks about the ones with feathers on their back and how they quack. So it's not really a counting song. It's just a really fun song that we can sing. And it goes like this. I'll sing it a few times so we can get the hang of it. 6 little ducks that I once knew, fat ones, skinny ones, fair ones too. But the one little duck with the feather on their back, they led the others with a quack, 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 quack. They led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Did you catch that? So we talk about 6 little ducks that I once knew, fat ones, skinny ones, fair ones too. But the one little duck with the feather on their back, they led the others with a quack, quack, quack. So let's see if we can do it again. There's a few other verses, and these ducks go places. So let's sing it. 6 little ducks that I once knew, fat ones, skinny ones, fair ones too. But the one little duck with the feather on its back, they led the others with a quack, 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 quack. They led the others with a quack, quack, quack. So these ones, let's see where these ducks are gonna go. So let's see where these ducks are gonna go. Down to the river they will go, wibble wobble to and fro. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, they led the others with a quack, 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 quack. They led the others with a quack, quack, quack. So let's see where else they go. Oh, it looks like they're home from the river. Home from the river they will go, wibble wobble, ho hum hum. But the one little duck with the feather on its back, they led the others with a quack, 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 quack. They led the others with a quack, quack, quack. 6 little ducks that I once knew, fat ones, skinny ones, fair ones too. But the one little duck with the feather on its back, they led the others with a quack, 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 quack. They led the others with a quack, quack, quack. And there you have it, 6 little ducks. It's a really fun song, and I really do enjoy this one. I loved it when I was little too. But yeah, no, it's a really fun song. It's by Raffi. He's a child singer, I guess. He sings for children and makes children's songs, and really a really fun song about 6 little ducks. Kind of changes up the script a little bit from our 5, but so this is a really fun one about the ducks and their feathers. And why don't we go into another song that I also really like. It is about a train working on the railroad for a very long day, and they want to pass the time away because it's a long day, and the whistle blows, and the captain shouts, "Dinah, blow your horn." Do you know what song I'm gonna sing? Do you have an idea? It's called "I've Been Working on the Railroad." I've been working on the railroad all pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up and early in the morn. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up and early in the morn. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, blow your horn. And there you have it. I've been working on the railroad. That's a really fun song to sing about if you like trains. One of my favorites also. So I hope you enjoyed that one. And the last song we're going to sing is a song that a lot of people have been requesting for me at the center, but I never got around to singing it because I didn't know it very well at the time. And I've learned it and I've practiced it. And so now I think I'm okay to sing it. I don't know, there's some parts that are a little still tricky for me, but I'm going to do my best. And it's Baby Beluga, and I know a lot of you love this song, so I'm going to do it. Hopefully you enjoy it. Baby beluga in the deep blue sea, swim so wild and you swim so free. Heaven above and the sea below, and the little white whale on the go. Baby beluga, baby beluga. you have it, Baby Beluga. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd love to sing for me to sing it again, I would love to do that. I do love the song and it's so fun to play. And again, I just hope you're all staying safe. Hope you're all having a great almost winter season, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye everyone.